What's the meaning of brazenness? Brazenness. Brazenness.
Brazenness. Brazenness. Brazenness is a noun that refers to the quality of being shameless, bold, or impudent. It describes a person who behaves in an audacious or outrageous manner, showing no regard for convention, decorum, or social norms. Brazenness can be seen as a negative trait, as it can lead to rude or offensive behavior that can offend or upset others. Those who exhibit brazenness often have little or no concern for the opinions, feelings, or expectations of others and may act in ways that are inappropriate, aggressive, or disrespectful. Overall, brazenness can be seen as a negative quality that may lead to problems in social situations and relationships.